My name is Chayanin Pornsriniyom. I am a chef instructor at Institute of Culinary Education in New York City. How I played this dish was I laid out my cilantro and avocado cream, and then used to cure hamaji, gochujang leche de tigre, tempura parsley, and then filled up the gaps with charred blood orange, thinly sliced breakfast veg. I gravitated towards more height and color. Since it is a round plate, I tend to choose an ingredient that is not round, that then I would arrange them into a round shape. I like the idea of bringing things together that otherwise wouldn't belong and make them my own. So this is a play on different shades of pink. When I see pink generally, I think of spring and how the greens and the pink of flowers and floral comes together. I want it to feel like you don't have to stick with the traditional. I want it to feel free. As long as you bring out your own story, it is your story to tell and it works. So when I present this plate to someone, I want them to feel the season and feel like it's going to be fun to eat.